Hey there, thanks for watching. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how I figure out combined shipping on eBay. Sometimes you will have a repeat buyer note twice on your shipping list, which is fine, but what about when you have a ton of items to ship? Here's a way I found out how to check quickly if you have multiple items going to the same buyer. On my Seller Hub main page, I click the bell icon located on the top right of the page. When clicked, it brings you to a notification page. I click the box that tells me how many I have to ship. eBay directs you to their bulk shipping page. I click Buy Shipping and watch the price go up like crazy. Don't worry though. As the price is climbing, I watch the top left of the screen. Look for the combined shipping words. If a number pops up, that means you have some orders that you could combine. If nothing comes up, you have no orders that could be combined. I click the words, then eBay does its magic and combines the orders going to the same buyer. I note down the items that belong to each other, then click eBay logo to go back to my Ship Now page. Once on my Paid Ship Now page, I ship one at a time, knowing which ones are supposed to be combined. I don't ship in bulk, as it's faster for me to do the one at a time method. Hope this helps someone. Thanks for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this type of content, I made a playlist here for you to watch. Enjoy.